Okay, so we're asked to find the measures of the numbered angles in each isosceles trapezoid. We need to know a few facts about isosceles trapezoids. Well, one fact that we need to know is that the base angles are congruent. So, oops, I'm in the wrong thing here. So this angle, angle 1, is going to be, let's say the measure of angle 1 equals 77 degrees. And the reason that that's the case is because those two base angles are congruent. There and there. These two base angles are congruent as well. What specifically do we know about them? Well, we know this. We know that these two angles here, because the lines are parallel and this is being cut by a transversal, that what we're dealing with here are same side interior angles, and these same side interior angles are supplementary. So we've got, let's say, a measure of angle 2 and the measure of angle 3. And we know that because of these right here, we know that the measure of angle 3 is going to be 180 minus 77, which is 130 degrees. So that's 130 degrees, and so is that. All right, and because these are all isosceles trapezoids, then we've got, for this one, we've got the measure of angle 1 equaling the same thing as this other angle over here. So we've got 49 degrees for that one. And the measure of angle 2 and the measure of angle 3, they are base angles, and the base angles are congruent in isosceles trapezoids. So we're dealing with here some kind of supplementary pair. So we say, okay, what do we get there? We get 180 minus 49, and we get 131. So angles 2 and 3, both 131. Okay, and here for this third one, we've got measure of angle 1, measure of angle 2, measure of angle 3. And we know that the measure of angle 3 is the same as its other matching base angle of 65 degrees. And these two, that 65 degree angle and 1, they're going to be supplementary. And so 180 minus 65, 115 for number 1. And because angle 2 is the same as angle 1, also 115. Done.